I'm going to show you how I make landing pages in only like 5 minutes with V0, and that's how I do it. So this is the website I made with only 2 prompts with V0, and I will show you how, but I just want to show you the website first and show you that it's already a pretty good and decent landing page. So this is the landing page, a beautiful purple here, a beautiful button, a countdown, it's crazy, like already a countdown, a button. I'm using Magic UI. I told him the AI to use Magic UI video. It's not working, so we'll fix it. You will see how. The functionalities, reviews, plan, and question. So it's already useful. So it's perfect. That's what we want. The links are already working. Maybe not the social link. We'll fix that too. And yeah, so we have this. It's already responsive. Of course, still with the still button problem that we will fix. And so it's already useful. It's already a pretty decent landing page. We have animations, so that's really nice. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's go to V0. So I did it with 2 prompts, actually. The first one was clone this URL. So this HTTPS spikes. By the way, it's in French because I cloned a French website because I really like the design. But you can do it in English, in Arabic, in like in any language. So first, what I like to do is to give a URL. So clone this website and give it a URL. I don't really like pictures because you don't have access to the source code, so it's more difficult, I think, to clone the website. And I like to give him the URL. The first result I got, which wasn't really good, was this result. It's not really useful. Like the links don't even work. And he missed like a lot of sections, and that's what I asked him. I asked him, a lot of sections are missing, finish to make all the sections. And this is the second prompt. I could have added to the first one, like for example, clone this URL and don't forget the feature section, and like be more explicit, because sometimes you need to be really explicit with the AI. But yeah, in only 2 prompts, that's what I got. The links are already working, pricing, FAQ. So how we can clone it, we're just going to add it to the code base. So let's go to iTerm and just put the prompt. And it's pretty simple, like Next.js prompt. So your project name, I'm going to call it video tutorial, video landing page, that's it. So I use default for the style, slate for the colors, CSS variables, yes, and we're gonna make the component JSON, and we're gonna just run the project. So let's open the project and let's see if it's working. So we're just going to do npm run dev. Again, you can use whatever you want. Localhost 3000 is already used, so let's go to 2001. So this was the last test before. And that's it. We already have it. Of course, it's not perfect, don't have all the images. So we need to fix some stuff, okay? And that's normal. For any, like, really, you will never like get a perfect landing page with AI. Even if people say it, I really doubt it, and I think most of the person just say it so you watch their videos or they just like show off. Most of the time you don't have a perfect website. You need to either like do a lot of prompts to have it perfectly, or just clone it and you fix the small changes, and after that you can deploy it. So for example, let's just do a quick one. So for example, this button, let's just fix it. Instead, what we can do is just take the component, go to the hero section, add it here, and yeah, let's just try to, oops, and then let's just try that. And so yeah, we already have this button, we can play with this. So for example, the hero section, I'm gonna put some margin bottom or margin top, or maybe like use a div around it, so it works. And then you're gonna just add some margin bottom of like 4, and now you can go watch those. And that's it. It's pretty easy. You have this countdown. It's already good. By the way, it's a French website, so again, you can put it in English or Arabic, any language you want. By the way, this is the website. Of course, it's not perfect. It's not perfectly cloned, and I think it's really far from being perfect. but you get like a really good structure of a good landing page that you can use. Yeah, we can even like use the let's even add like the just the video, because I know it's quick to add. So Magic UI, go to the components, here review the dialog. I'm just gonna add it in my code base. Just gonna add it here. So let's go here, copy the code. So video dialog, and see if it's working. Just remove that. Your dialog. So let's give it good link. This is the embed video, and for the thumbnail, let's give it a good thumbnail, and let's see if it's working. Maybe it's gonna give me like an error. Oh, it's hidden. Okay, that it was hidden. I don't know why. It's really weird, but yeah, let's not hit it. So yeah, we have this video. It's working. You have my this is my video, so you can watch it. You can play around. I give some more like with height, and you can just play. But guys, really quick, but like a few minutes, we have like this landing page. It's pretty nice. It's not perfect. You will never have a perfect AI website. And that's pretty much it, guys. Use AI. Use AI. Don't be like the devs who don't use it, because you will be replaced if you don't use AI. But if you use it, I'm pretty sure you will not be replaced, because you'll be like more productive than most of the devs, unless they use AI too. So, hey guys, hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like the video, comment down below. And if you need some mentorship, I'm offering free 15 minutes call, one-on-one call. You can book one with me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So you guys, see you in the next one.